Episode 4, another day of surf adventure in Oahu. I started out the day heading to my favorite surf spot on the South Shore, Diamondhead, but I didn't realize the Honolulu Marathon was happening at the same time. That meant I had to drive all the way around Diamondhead just to find parking. One of my favorite things about surfing Diamondhead is the walk down to the cliffside trail to the beach. It's such a beautiful sight. I am going to do a whole separate video about this surf spot in the future. So definitely stay tuned. It was a little breezy, but I didn't think much of it until I paddled out. Once I got to the lineup, it was way windier than I expected. With the current pushing hard, I had to constantly paddle just to stay in place. Not exactly ideal conditions for a longboard session. Still, I did manage to catch 3 or 4 decent waves before I was too tired to keep fighting the current. I'm still adjusting to the long paddle outs here. On the East Coast, where I'm from, it's a quick 10-second paddle to the lineup. Here, 5 or 6 minutes. Definitely a workout I need to get used to. After my session, I got back to the car and slipped on my new surf sock onto my board. I was going to do a whole video about this thing, but check this out. It slides on so easy. It has a mesh design so the sand falls right out. It's made from recycled materials that are super slippery and won't stick to the wax. It protects the board and keeps the melted wax from off the car interior. Love this thing. Another amazing surf pack, my waterproof tea pouch. I showed this in a pre-trip video, but it's worth mentioning again. I double bag it first in a Ziploc bag, and then I shove that inside the waterproof pouch. It's zipped in my pocket and my board shorts. Super secure and keeps my bottom part super dry. So my second session, I headed to Canoes at Waikiki for sunset. The lineup had a chill vibe, and I ran into a lot of familiar faces, which made for a super fun session. Surfed for a few hours, caught some nice rides. session, I just sat on the beach and watched the sunset. Another perfect end to the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Mahalo.